Gazebo hub channel here, showing you what this canopy looks like once it's set up. We set this up about a week ago, and it is a great material, number one. You can see that we use our fire pit under it. This is made of steel, so it's safe to use with your fire pits. This is how high this ceiling goes. You can hang lights on it. You can, there's a hook up there to hang, a fan or a bug light or something like that. But this is what it looks like. This is I think this is a 10 by 12. It's got that. So you've got the ventilation up top there. This took about, I don't know, a few hours. My husband and a friend put this together, to set this up, and, works great. We're really happy to have it. Keeps us out of the sun and gives us some shade, but also we get a lot of rain here. So this is a good spot, and you can see how many chairs we've got under here. There's about 6 right now, and you can fit a few more if you need to. So great way to protect your areas. And we put ours on some cement blocks, which worked out really nicely. So check it out, guys. If you need something like this, definitely recommend this.